Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler.
In this video, we are going on a hike to Warteck peak, the Königssee area.
So guys, we are at Bahn Tal station and from here we have taken a middle way ticket. So half of the way we are taking the Bahn and rest 21 or 20 kilometers we will be hiking 1200 meters of elevation gain, and it cost me 15 euro for one way. Someone is missing his girlfriend and hugging the tree. Peter in love with the tree. So we guys have finally made it to the peak, and the interesting part was last 30 minutes where we were in deep snow, right?
Yeah, right.
So
We were supposed to take an hour, 30,
Yeah.
but we didn't have an hour.
yes, we were supposed to take 90 minutes, but this guy, he's a pro, so he made us do it in 30 minutes, you know. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.